Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Joworthy 3 PC's charger kit for the Nintendo DS Lite, which also comes with 10 stylus pens. If you're someone who still enjoys the classic DS Lite or you're looking for a reliable backup charging solution, this kit might just be what you need. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice about this kit is that it's specifically designed for the DS Lite. It's not compatible with the original DS, DSi, or other Nintendo series. So if you've got a DS Lite, this is perfect, but make sure you're not trying to use it on any other console. Inside the package, you get 3 charger units and 10 stylus pens. That's plenty of spares, and the styluses can come in handy if you're traveling with friends or just want backups for yourself. The chargers themselves deliver 5.2 volts at 450 milliamps, which is exactly what the DS Lite needs for safe and efficient charging. They are built with overheating protection, which means you can leave your console charging overnight without worrying about damaging it. One of the design highlights is the foldable plug. It tucks neatly into the back of the DS Lite console, so it doesn't take up extra space when you're storing or carrying your device. This is especially useful if you're on the go and want to keep your console compact and portable. The kit isn't just practical. It's versatile as well, whether you're traveling, hanging out with friends, or even going on a date. The extra chargers and styluses make sure you're always ready for some DS Lite action. The lightweight design also adds to the convenience, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Overall, the Joworthy 3 PC's charger kit offers a solid combination of functionality, convenience, and safety for DS Lite owners. If you're looking to keep your console powered up and have extra styluses on hand, this kit is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more detailed looks at gaming accessories and gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.